Hello everyone, my name is Ladud. I am 16 years old and I represent a Portuguese team. As the theme of this mobility is gastronomy, I am going to prepare for you a traditional Portuguese dish. In this video, I am going to cook a codfish dish called Bacalhau à brás. À brás is probably the name of the person who invented it. So, let's go! First of all, I will present the ingredients. You need cod, oil, 2 eggs, straw potato, onion, salt, pepper, and black olives. And for the decoration, you will need lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. And now we are going to start our recipe. As you can see, we put oil and let it heat up to fry the onion. When the onion is fried, we add the cod and then the straw potato and we start to stir. At the end, we add the 2 eggs to the cod and the potatoes and mix everything together. We wait 3 more minutes for the eggs to cook and then we put the cod on a plate and decorate with lettuce, tomato and black olives. This is my bacalhau à brás. I hope you like it.